Okay, we are supposed to get baseball-sized hail. We're under a tornado watch. So, if my garden gets completely shredded, I want to have a picture of it before it's gone. Okay, so here's my tomatoes, my onions, my tomatoes, my squash, oh, there's yellow squash over there. Here's my strawberries. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna pick them real quick. Oh, I tried, guys, I tried. All right, here's my potatoes, my pumpkins, and my blueberries. Okay, got everything that I could up on the porch. Oh, I need to pull in the big ones, but oh, it's coming. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, aren't they pretty? Oh man. Okay, we got them pulled in, but all of that over there we can't pull in. So we'll see. I don't know.
Oh man, those yellow ones are so pretty.
I know. Do I dare try to save them? I'm so tired. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah. Do you think you can?
All I have to do is set them under, but
I mean, like just take them right over there?
yeah, I think I should. I don't know. Do you think the overhang will protect them enough
Probably.
from baseball-sized hail?
Well, it depends on which. If it's coming from straight down, it'd be fine. If it's coming from that way, it wouldn't be fine. Should we try it?
Okay, let's try it.
Hang on, I'll get it. You just do what you do best. You just video me doing it.
Okay, set them along here, along the house. Just right here is fine.
It's supposed to be hot rain in the summer.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe next week is July.
And it's 60 degrees out.
I'm not complaining because it's never this cool, but wow.
I can't probably get the red one. It's too heavy.
No, but we can maybe save the yellow ones. Okay.
What about this thing right here?
Yeah, you can drag it over if it's... Ugh. Okay.
Unless it happens to be coming down from the north, then it should be protected on this side. We have a pretty big overhang here, thankfully.
So we're under a tornado warning, baseball-sized hail. This is Wyoming. I don't know that more than, what, 3 tornadoes have probably ever touched down here. But wouldn't that be ironic after our son was in a tornado 4 days ago? 5 days ago?
We're kind of close to the mountains for a tornado to hit us, but you never know, I guess.
So we'll see. I'll update you guys. Oh, sorry, it's a watch. Michael corrected me. For those of you who don't know, a watch means you're watching for tornadoes. A warning is it's actually on the ground. So we're under a tornado watch. But thank you for setting my plans.
You're welcome.
Now, we'll see when this video comes out if I have any left. Holy cow, we're having to stop
Let the turkey cross.
and let the turkey cross the road.
We may be here till lunchtime. Did you pack a lunch?
Oh my goodness, he's huge.
I know. I run across them at church. Well, I don't run across them. I mean, they go in front of me at church. Not like I'm running it over.
Holy cow. Oh, dude. Seriously. There you go. Okay.
Now which way?
Yeah, go straight.
There's the squirrel. The turkey can go straight.
Yeah.
Okay. He sure is taking his
meandering.
time.
Just meandering. Having a good day. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious.
Don't you wish you had that life, huh? Smoothing along.
See, that's the life I need. So, can't quite figure out why my allergies have been so bad.
Look at it on the ground. There's big piles of round, like snowball things of it.
So yeah, not quite sure why the allergies are so bad, but you know, might be a little indication there. Oh, good grief. Okay, so for everybody who says I have too much stuff, my love of 29 years, it could be so much worse. It could be so much worse. Hey, that's actually kind of cute.
It is. I was looking. There's one with a big nose, a birdhouse with a big nose,
Kind of
and a
like it.
deer, and a moose-looking one.
I think I've seen my new hobby.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Okay, we gotta go to the garage sale, Mother.
I'm sorry.
Stop laughing at my collecting.
Sorry, I'm distracting you, making
Wow,
fun
this
of
is
you.
a big one.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Okay, what in the world is this pan used for? Does anybody have any ideas? I have no idea what that would be used for. Oh, and look at this. We need a fondue pot, I'm sure. I walked right past Bob and I didn't even see Bob. Oh, Bob. We love Bob. Since you were little, you've loved Bob. I've always watched Bob. Bob was a little weird.
He was kind of weird. I was worried about you because you love Bob so much.
What did Mom find?
Picture for $2.
$2. There you go. Okay, Mom found 10 cents each.
For quilt patterns and stuff, they're usually $25 and they're 10 cents each. That's where I get most of my patterns. Although I don't use a whole lot of patterns.
Probably resell those.
I know. Look at these. I've got some interesting ones here.
Oh my goodness, do you realize there's like $1,000 worth of...
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's what I say. These people spend.
Oh my goodness.
They'll go one day and spend $1,000 on this fabric for stuff. That's why
It's crazy.
I could.
Yeah, that's pretty.
It is. I've been
So-
looking and looking for a salt shaker. Like this size exactly, so I can take the lid off.
That'll help your high blood pressure, Mother.
And it's got a handle. I mean, this has all the perks of a perfect salt shaker. How many other people spend years looking for the perfect salt shaker?
Okay, and then we ran by a free pile.
Yeah, just we
Make
got
it go away, pile.
Brand new faucet that didn't fit.
Let it
were
go.
gonna- like I said, we were gonna sell this. This was given to me. This toaster oven works. I just never use it. I
That's
got an
funny.
air fryer and a toaster. So it's like, you know.
What do I need it all for, yeah? And Mom hit the freebie pile. What did you get in the freebie pile, Mom?
Well, for you.
Oh, it's all for me. It's all for me.
Well, there's painted furniture and what? You're mocking me. You are mocking me. Should I let you have it? No. I don't think I'll let you have it for mocking me.
I didn't dig. I didn't dig. Oh, dear.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Mocking.
Oh, my.
Uh-huh.
Aw, thanks, Mom. My mother loves me. She
I'm not
knows
so
me.
sure about that at the moment. Let me think about that for a while.
Thank you.
And I thought
Wow.
you could use a good laugh.
I probably can. Mars and Venus. Yes,
Isn't
that's
he the
definitely
funny
Mike and
one?
I.
Isn't Dave Barry the funny one?
Yes, he's the funny one. Look at this super stinking cute playhouse. Oh my
Do you
goodness.
think Michael would mind fixing your playhouse
I
up like
think
that?
he would not mind, I'm
I don't-
sure.
After you get done with the kitchen, I'm sure he'd be inspired.
Yeah, he'll be inspired. I think I'm gonna bring this home. What do you think?
I think she needs something a little more.
It's only $25. Oh my
You
goodness.
could set it up for the live stream when you're too tired to do the live stream, and we could just pretend it's you. We could put a headband with curly hair wig on there, and I'll just talk to you like it's just you.
Oh, that would be so
Think
funny.
anybody would notice?
Probably not. Probably not. Okay, I got a pot for 50 cents.
And I got a cashmere scarf a quarter.
That's pretty good for cashmere, I would say.
I would think so.
Okay, I got a watering can, 4 pots, and mama planter thing for $6 for all of it. So that's not a bad deal. Okay, I got these camping chairs for $3 each. Mom and I got these books for a quarter each. I got that flower pot for a quarter. Mom got fabric, 5 yards for $6. And I got that cute little, I don't know what you call that, it's a little box of some sort for $1. And then I got that orange bucket for a planter for $2. Okay, so today is a light garage selling day. Only the back seat is full.
You said we have 2 church ones to go to. How many do we go to already?
It's garage sale season and it's a sunny day finally.
So we went to 1,000,000.
No. Okay, we cannot get away from them. We cannot get away from them. We're at the garage sale.
How many
And now they're
times
back
have
again.
we been looking at those things?
We need to buy them just to put them out of their misery. Okay, what is this, guys? Let me know.
Remember to subscribe, give them a thumbs up, and share.
We love Brad, our favorite restore guy.
Come on down, Sheridan, Wyoming. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5.
There you go.
We've lowered our
Great
prices and upped our game.
deal. Oh, and you guys got a ton of stuff
We
too.
do.
Yeah, you got a ton of stuff.
TVs, furniture, tools, appliances, cabinets.
You
We
got it all?
stuff coming in right now.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, for everyone wondering if Mom and I just come home with carloads every single time, this is all we got at the garage sales. Note, nothing in the back seat.
Just my raincoat, because it's
Nothing.
raining.
It's raining. So this was a garage sale dud day.
That's why you keep trying, because some days we have great hauls and other days we have nothing, right?
Right. Oh, isn't that pretty? 2 rainbows and it's reflecting off the lake.
Yep.
That's pretty cool, even if I do say so myself. Eating some of my homegrown lettuce right there. In with my zinnias. Sunshine. Rainbow. Moisture falling from the air. We managed to escape another round of hail and tornadoes. So thankful. So my plants lived to see another day. I don't know if they'll make it through the summer or not, but anyway, we made it through that storm, thankfully. Woo! Visit us at liveonadime.com, guys. We will see you guys next time.